One of the things we're adding into kitchens frequently is a second sink or a second dishwasher. Now you might think this is overkill, but a second sink or a second dishwasher has really become popular with those people who have larger families or that do a lot of entertaining. And the second sink really gives you an extra space for prep work or cleanup work, but the second dishwasher really shines when the party's over and everybody's gone home. You'll be able to clean up in one load of the dishwasher because you got two running.